Picture this: automated systems humming efficiently throughout a facility, yet workers still step in to manually move materials. These transport bottlenecks persist even in highly automated factories, representing the last frontier in intralogistics and facility automation. So why hasn't automation conquered these spaces? Because brownfield sites pose challenges conventional mobile robots can't handle, the actual real-world conditions that characterize your facility. And true success isn't just about meeting today's transport needs. It's about supporting the entire ecosystem of surrounding processes with the flexibility to adapt as operations evolve. Maybe you're unsure where to begin, or perhaps you've dived into technical specifications only to get lost in a maze of configurations that require an engineering background to understand. The reality, your facility has unique requirements. That robot that works perfectly in the demo video, it might be the wrong size, wrong application, or completely miss your specific operational needs. And then there's the real question: who has time to manage a complex robotics implementation when your team is already working hard just to keep daily operations running? That's why we created THOUZER, KAIZEN Mobile Robot by Doog. We built it around these basic principles that directly address these challenges. Starting with immediate simplicity. One button press activates Follow Me mode, giving your workers an intelligent assistant that boosts productivity from day one. No training, no complex setup, just instant results. When you're ready for automation, creating autonomous routes is just as easy. Simply hit Memorize while walking your desired path, then play whenever you need that route repeated. Your team can master both modes in minutes, not months. This simplicity isn't just about technology, it's about acceptance. When your team can master it in minutes, adoption happens naturally across your entire operation. But simplicity alone isn't enough. You've likely recognized that full automation creates rigid systems that fail to keep up with changes. Instead, the smart approach blends automation with human adaptability. This is where THOUZER's true flexibility makes it stand out. Instead of forcing you to redesign your operations, it complements human strengths and adapts to even the most unpredictable settings. Dynamic environments, indoor and outdoor use, different workflows across teams or shifts. With Doog's proprietary navigation engine featuring multiple navigation capabilities, THOUZER adapts seamlessly to whatever your operation throws at it. What's more, THOUZER is built on a foundation of 30 years of robotics research and proven in real-world operations since 2015. Yet it's not complicated at all. All it takes is simple customization to get it running, and as your needs evolve, small improvements tailor it perfectly to your operation without starting from scratch. What truly sets THOUZER apart is how it enables people-powered innovation by putting your team at the center of improvements. Everyone gets a voice, from daily operators to the supervisors optimizing workflows. This sparks bottom-up innovation led by the people who know the work best. Through your team's insights and THOUZER's high customizability, it evolves naturally to fit different contexts and preferences. Here's where the real transformation happens. Your team becomes empowered to tackle challenges on their own, spot opportunities for improvement, and turn everyday observations into practical solutions. You're not just using a robot, you're working with a tool that can evolve with your team. Backed by Doog's global support, THOUZER shifts mobile robotics from the domain of engineering experts to empowering technology for non-technical users, helping you build the confidence and capability to lead future improvements independently. Over time, something powerful emerges. Your organization builds automation awareness from within, developing a living cycle of continuous improvement, constantly assessing needs, making revisions, and adding enhancements that keep your operation evolving. This is what sets the Kaizen approach with THOUZER apart from traditional solutions. Instead of relying on external experts, you're building internal problem-solving capability that strengthens with every challenge you face. The end result goes beyond solving transportation gaps. You're transforming your organization. Your team develops the expertise and mindset to tackle whatever operational challenges come next, creating lasting competitive advantage. THOUZER, KAIZEN Mobile Robot by Doog. High-performance mobile robot with tool-like simplicity, empowering your team in an ever-evolving workplace to evolve together.